Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Flipboard. You will click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Flipboard and you will click here. In this page of app, on for you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Flipboard and you will click. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.